Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the various finance vacancy in Gujarat Metro Rail Corporation Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, Gujarat Metro has released the notification on 31st May, that is today, for the recruitment of various appointment on contract basis. So these all are contractual vacancies and the contract period is between 3 years to 5 years. So minimum it is 3 years and it can be extended up to 5 years. The first vacancy is for manager finance and accounts. Here the pay scale is 60,000 to 1,80,000. Number of vacancy is 1 and minimum post qualification experience asked is 9 years. Here the essential qualification is either a member of a CA institute or member of a cost accountant institute with having minimum 9 years post qualification experience in taxation, compliance with accounting standard, finalization of budget preparation, etc. Candidates from government or PSU should be presently working in a pay scale of 50,000 to 1,60,000 or higher pay scale or equivalent to CDA scale, or should be working with reputed private organization drawing a CTC of minimum 1,25,000 per month are eligible. So here if you are working in government organization at a level of management trainee or account finance officer, then you are eligible, because all those posts have pay scale of 50,000 to 1,60,000. or if you are working in a private organization, then your minimum salary should be 1,25,000 per month and working knowledge in SAP is preferred. Here the maximum age limit required is 38 years, so you have to be below 38 years to be eligible to apply for manager finance and accounts. Then second vacancy is for assistant manager finance and accounts. Here the pay scale is 50,000 to 1,60,000. Here the total 2 vacancies are there and post qualification experience required is 5 years. Here the essential education qualification asked is member of a cost accountant or member of a chartered accountant or MBA with specialization in finance from government recognized university or institute. Here you need to have minimum 5 years post qualification experience, as I already mentioned, in a private or PSU or any metro. Then you are eligible to apply. And here they have mentioned that candidate should have worked at least 1 year in pay scale of 35,000 to 1,10,000 or 2 year in pay scale of 30,000 to 1,20,000, or should be working in reputed private organization drawing minimum monthly salary of 60,000 per month. Then only are eligible to apply. And candidate should have experience in area of direct tax, indirect tax, compliance with accounting standard, etc. All these finance areas you need to have an experience. And then working knowledge in SAP is preferred. Here the maximum upper age limit to apply for this post is 32 years. Then there is a vacancy for HR also, so if you are interested you can check that also. Then at serial number 5, vacancy for senior executive finance and accounts. Here the pay scale is 35,000 to 1,10,000. Total vacancies are 5 and the post qualification experience required is 3 years. Here you need to be member of a chartered accountant or a member of cost accountant, then only you are eligible, or MBA with specialization in finance. Friends, here the important point to note is that they are asking member of institute of chartered accountant or cost accountant, so you need to have a membership. Just passing CA final examination will not be sufficient. You need to have a membership of this institute, then only are eligible. Minimum 3 years post qualification experience is required in large scale construction or infrastructure project. Then working knowledge in SAP is preferred. Here the upper age limit is 28 years and they have mentioned that preference will be given to candidate who has worked in Gujarat state for at least 3 years and are conversant with the Gujarati language. You will be given preference over other candidates. And professional experience of working in any PSU, boards, organization of government, metro rail corporation will be preferred. So if you are having experience in any of this organization, then your preference will be given. So it doesn't mean that if you have no experience of all these, whether you will be selected. If they don't find any suitable candidate, then they will definitely consider you for the post. Then some general terms and condition, let's also discuss that. So first of all, it's on contract basis, so do keep this in mind. It's not a permanent vacancy, these are the contractual vacancies. And apart from pay, other benefit will be also paid as per the company policy. And if you are already working in GMRC, who have completed minimum 2 years of service, then you can also apply through proper channel. And candidate will be likely to be posted in Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar or Surat or any other project of GMRC. And candidates who are from private organization should need to submit the CTC breakup along with Form 16 at the time of online application. So do keep this in mind, you need to attach your Form 16. And contract appointment, it will be initially for 3 years to 5 years on expandable basis. And if you want to terminate it, it can be terminated by either side by giving 30-day notice in case of an assistant manager or 90 days in case of a manager and above cadre. Then selection, first you need to apply through online mode only through company's website by using this link under apply now section, and you need to merge all your document in a single PDF and need to submit the same to the company by on or before 6th June 2022. So they have given 7 days for making an application, and if you are selected, you need to give your acceptance within 3 working days of receipt of offer. If not given, then the next candidate in the merit list will be offered. And here the good news is there is no exam or written test. Here your selection will be based on interview. So shortlisting will be done by them, and the call letter for interview will be issued to shortlisted candidate indicating time, date and venue of the interview. So if you are interested and want to work with Gujarat Metro Rail Corporation, then you should definitely apply for this post. You will get a good experience in working in a government organization. So I hope you find this video useful. So do share with someone whom you find that this vacancy may be useful or relevant. I will put the notification link in the description. You can check that entire notification in detail.